27 craziest facts about our universe. Fun fact number 1. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. That's at least a billion trillion. Fun fact number 2. Driving a car to the nearest star at 70 miles per hour would take more than 356 billion years. Fun fact number 3. A black hole is created when big stars explode. Its gravitational force is so strong that nothing can escape from it. Luckily, the closest black hole is about 10,000 light-years from Earth. Fun fact number 4. Astronauts grow taller in space. Astronauts can grow about 5 centimeters, 2 inches, during their stay in space. The reason for this is the lack of gravity. Fun fact number 5. The largest amount of water was found in space. There is a vapor cloud that holds more than 140 trillion Earth's oceans. Fun fact number 6. The first drink consumed in space was Coca-Cola in 1962. Fun fact number 7. The International Space Station provides astronauts with recycled water. The water goes through an 8-day purification system. Fun fact number 8. We often see astronauts in white spacesuits, but there are orange spacesuits too. Fun fact number 9. The outer space is very cold with a temperature of around -454.75 degrees Fahrenheit, -270.42 degrees Celsius. Fun fact number 10. Nobody knows how many stars are in space. Stars in space really are completely uncountable. Fun fact number 11. The universe has no center and is constantly expanding, getting bigger, every second, making it impossible to reach the edge. Fun fact number 12. Neutron stars are so dense that a single teaspoon of their material would weigh more than Mount Everest. Fun fact number 13. If you fell into a black hole, you would be stretched into a long, thin noodle shaped by the intense gravity. This effect is called spaghettification. Fun fact number 14. Space smells like burnt steak or welding fumes, according to astronauts. Fun fact number 15. There's a giant cloud of alcohol floating in space, enough for 400 trillion pints of beer. Fun fact number 16. The Milky Way smells like rum and tastes like raspberries, due to ethyl formate in space. Fun fact number 17. You age slower in space, thanks to time dilation. Fun fact number 18. Some stars explode when they die. That's called a supernova. Fun fact number 19. Shooting stars aren't stars. They're tiny space rocks burning up. Fun fact number 20. Stars are born, live, and die, just like living things, but over millions of years. Fun fact number 21. Some stars shine so bright they can be seen even during the daytime. Fun fact number 22. The Milky Way looks white because of billions of tiny shining stars. Fun fact number 23. 1 light year is how far light travels in 1 year, super far. Fun fact number 24. Rainbows can't happen in space because there's no air or water to bend light. Fun fact number 25. Even when you feel still, you are rushing through space. We are all zooming around the center of our galaxy at about 515,000 miles per hour. Fun fact number 26. You are made of stardust. Almost every element in your body, like the iron in your blood, was made inside a massive star that exploded a long, long time ago. Fun fact number 27. Every day, lots of little pieces of dust and tiny rocks from space fall to Earth. Some of them might even be in your hair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.